First, let me invite Sadai. They will introduce themselves quickly and tell us what they're doing. And
thank you, John. Yeah, hi, I'm John Jamie. I'm from Sadai. We are an autonomous cloud platform. Basically, we help AWS customers run their operations much more efficiently on an autonomous basis. It's a little bit like you have full self-driving for a Tesla. If you have that, we're kind of like a self-driving for your Lambda or EKS or ECS services. We came out of stealth about 6 months ago. We're now a Gartner core vendor. We're also now a ISVA partner with AWS, and we have some customers who are very excited about the results that they're getting. So we'd love to have you guys stop by our booth. We have a lot of good giveaways as well. You can go in for a draw for a Space Shuttle Lego set, which is pretty cool, and some T-shirts and some other things as well. So I won't take any more time, but thanks so much for coming, everybody. Really appreciate you being here today. Thank you.
Next, I'd like to invite OutSystems. Or Influx Data, you could come on. Oh, you're here. Okay. Hi. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shannon. I am a solutions architect at OutSystems. OutSystems is a low-code platform. I'm sure many of you guys here are aware, or at least familiar with what low-code is, but if not, low-code is a way for you to build your applications visually without having to write lines of code. OutSystems has been a leader now for the past 20 years in this space, and if you're interested in seeing a demo of how the application works, please feel free to stop by at 11:10, where I'll be doing a demo of our platform, and also feel free to stop by our booth later on if you don't have any time. Thank you.
I'd like to invite Influx Data.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Samantha Wang. I'm a product manager at Influx Data, and we're the creators of InfluxDB, a time series database platform, and we're used for real-time monitoring workloads and application building. A lot of our use cases cover DevOps monitoring, IoT monitoring, as well as data science and machine learning that you can build on top of InfluxDB. I'm going to be doing a talk later about, I'm the product manager for our open source data collection agent Telegraph that can also be used with collecting CloudWatch metrics, EC2 metrics, and can even be outstreamed to our competitors like TimeStream, but also InfluxDB. So come check out our talk and our booth out there as well. And I guess that we are giving out also a Lego set of an Infinity Gauntlet. So you might win both, the space shuttle and the gauntlet.
Yeah, we'll have the raffle at 3:45 p.m. And I'd like to invite Harness.
All right. So I got two things for you. Two things for you. I work at Harness. We are a full-stack CI/CD platform. We do both cloud-based, SaaS-based, deploy anywhere. And we also have a very new and exciting open source project that is called the Drag Stack. And this is actually the first place we're ever talking about it. We have a workshop on it on next Wednesday, not this Wednesday, but Wednesday the 21st. But it's full stack GitOps, so CI and CD with Drone CI and Argo CD, the whole thing, open source, and it's here in Mountain View Wednesday. Just go to SV DevOps meetup group, okay, meetup.com/SV DevOps. Thank you.
And I'd like to invite Do It.
Hi, everyone. My name is Casey Scheel. I'm part of Do It International. We are an AWS MSP, a globally distributed engineering company that offers all AWS customers free consulting and support from subject matter experts in unlimited capacity worldwide. So if you're an AWS customer, even the most well-versed technical teams have those AWS-specific knowledge gaps. We provide that comprehensive consulting from A to Z. It can be as lightweight as I have a question, or it can be as comprehensive as I want to build a data lake. We provide that team of experts to ride shotgun to both walk you through that the problem on the table, and to teach your team along the way. So we're here, we're offering everybody here today a free hour with our subject matter experts. We have solutions architects here. So thank you for being here.
Okay, I think that's all the sponsors who are coming on stage. Trend Micro. I was just testing you guys.
Yeah. Just testing, making sure. Yeah, some of you may know who Trend Micro is, right? You're like, hey, those are those guys that run endpoint security. And we certainly do that. We have 500,000 customers worldwide. We've been around for a long time. We're also in the cloud, right? So we're an AWS security partner. We have a cloud-first platform protecting multiple AWS kind of services like S3, EC2, serverless kind of applications. Those are where we sit. We're going to deliver a session a little bit later today, 1:30 to 2. Dave will be talking about how we go about securing S3 buckets. Also, come by the booth. We have a challenge that you guys can win a drone, which is pretty cool. So it's a 5-minute challenge. You'll be walking through some of our services that we offer and kind of demonstrating how you go ahead and protect those AWS types of cloud services. So thank you. We look forward to seeing you guys.
Okay, I said today was all about networking. And so if you look at your neighbor's badge, you'll see a fortune written on their badge. Have fun with it. I went through a lot of... did many of you not see it? Yeah, you can look at your own badge too. Everyone's fortune is different. If there's anybody who likes a fortune that they see on their own, did anybody get you'll win a lottery today? Time to buy stock, you got that one. You should buy it today. I don't know which one, but all right, so let me see. It's a good thing I took notes. Oh, another thing that helps with networking is if you see 3 people talking together, feel free to join them and join the discussion. Like I said, unless you're listening to a talk or something, it's a great time to be learning from each other, teaching each other, discussing tips and tricks. That's the whole reason we come to the community day. That's by sharing is how we grow as a community. So please do that. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask a volunteer for help. You can see them with the brown shirts. If you would like to volunteer next year, please do so. The community day is also a great opportunity for new speakers to come and practice their speaking techniques and all that stuff. So if you want to sign up to be a speaker next year, please do that as well. This year we have about 20 speakers. Well, one of us got injured, so we have 19 speakers. That is the largest lineup of speakers we have had for a community day in the last 6 years. So, well, thank you to all the speakers for that. Can all the speakers in the room please stand? I know some of us will be coming late. Well, I'll give a round of applause to the speakers. Thank you for coming. I see some of our speakers are AWS heroes, and we have some volunteers who are AWS heroes too. AWS heroes are very special to the ecosystem, and this is a great opportunity to meet with them. And you can, there's Rustam, he's a machine learning hero. Chris Miller is a machine learning hero. Peterson Kaskus is a community hero. Oh, they already stood up, but yeah, Peter, stand up. Peter's only going to be here till 12 because he has to go pick up a delivery. I got to meet him before that. Chris Miller, he's going to give a talk also about computer vision and how his company evolved. Rustam, machine learning hero, you can speak with him. Partha, he's standing in the back there. Partha Wave, he's a community hero. He moved in from India recently. I'm sure there are others. I don't see them here. They're probably helping out. Adrian, today's keynote speaker, who probably doesn't need any introduction, he was one of the first 6 original heroes back in 2012 or whenever they started the program, right? And 2010? 2014. Yeah, he's been involved with AWS and helping communities learn about AWS for such a long time. I'm almost out of time. I first met Adrian when he came to Intuit. He was working with Netflix at that time, and he gave a talk there. I did not know Adrian was there that day, but my manager, he used to work at Yahoo before there. He told me, hey, Adrian Cockcroft is here today. He wrote that book on Solaris, right? So I went and listened to that talk. It was so interesting. And then every time Adrian spoke anywhere in the Bay Area, like for a meetup or something, I would go and attend if I knew about it. I've seen him speak at this stage back in 2016, I think, 2017 at the DevOps Days. Such an interesting speech. I still remember the pictures of the Boeing aircraft you showed, and I think it was around this time the 737 MAX had that problem and crashed a couple of planes. So I am sure today's talk will be so interesting. Adrian has retired recently from AWS, but he's continuing to do some advisory and consulting work. And let me see, is there anything else I wanted to say? Oh, yes. The layout, you all know where the restrooms are. It's right behind the check-in counter. There are 3 rooms on the far side of the Grand Hall after the expo. One room I've designated for quiet time. The farthest room, if you need some peace and quiet, go relax in that room. The second room is a jobs gallery. If you want to look for a job or you want to post a job, you can go there, discuss with people. Right on the whiteboard, if you don't meet anybody at that time, they can contact you. The first room is AWS certified, past, present, and future. So you don't have to be certified to go in there, but if you go in there, you could talk about and ask people how to get certified. You want to help people get certified, you can do that. And what else? The 3 tracks, finally, this room will have track 1, track 2, and track 3 are in Loveless and Boole, which is on the other side of the check-in.